Hi! In this video, I will show you how to change dimensions and ceiling height. Let's get started. We select a project, we enter the floor, and we tap on a specific room. Now, to edit a measurement is super simple. You simply tap on the little blue number and you can type the measurement manually. Or if you're on site, you can also connect a Bluetooth laser meter and then the measurement will apply automatically. In this case, I tapped with my finger, so I tap on apply. Now you can see that a little padlock appeared near the number, so this measurement is also locked. This means that if you accidentally move another wall, the app will ask if you're sure or if it was an accident, and if it was an accident, you simply tap on cancel, so nothing will be changed. And if you would like to change the ceiling height, you see here in the info section that you have the option to change it. You can also connect a Bluetooth laser meter if you have one, so you will have 100% accuracy, and you simply tap here on apply. If you want to change the ceiling height of your entire floor, you simply exit the room, and here you can see that you can change the ceiling height for all your rooms. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!